Good afternoon, Year 3. Hope you're all okay, and welcome to my next YouTube video clip. I thought today we could recap on using fronted adverbials. So you should be saying to yourself, where do you put fronted adverbials in a sentence? At the beginning. And what do you have after a fronted adverbial? Can I hear you shouting? A comma, yes. So what I've done is, I've got some laminated cards and I've written some words out, and they're all in the wrong order. So I need to try and find where my fronted adverbial is. So I'm going to have a look, searching for the capital letter. In the morning. What do I need after the fronted adverbial? A comma. In the morning, I eat my delicious, comma, crunchy cereal with my family. And guess what? What else do I use there? Delicious, crunchy. I've used an expanded noun phrase because the adjectives are describing the noun, which is cereal. Why don't you have a go? I've prepared some fronted adverbials for you to use. Have a little go at writing some sentences with them and send your sentences back to me on an email or take a video. Hope you're okay. Missing you. Bye.